Ayan, so this is my planner. So, ayan siya. So, I personalize it. My name, Ivy. And then, I chose this logo. Kasi I felt for the next year, I wanna use the logo mountain. I'm not sure why I chose that. Pero, yun yung pumasok sa isip ko. So, maraming klase ng logo na you can choose. Meron siyang books, coffee, paw prints, hearts, stars, whatsoever. Basta yan. Yan yung na-feel kong piliin. And yeah, ito yung front page, yung pinakauna. Tapos ayan, this is year at a glance. This planner is undated, so you're the one who have to put date on this. And meron siyang favorite moments of the year, my year in pixels. And this is blank page. And this is January. Ayan, tapos yun yung month, the glance, and there's like a weekly. 5 weeks in each month. So, ayan, weekly planner. Tapos, may blank page again. And then, there comes the February. Tapos, same. Magkaiba lang sila ng mga design each month. So, para-paras na merong habit tracker, mood tracker, and then, ayan, yung mga weekly pages niya. So, iba-iba siya. And, marami akong naiisip na pwede kong siyang gawin. And ito naman yung March. Yep, so ganun. So each month, mayroong habit tracker, mood tracker. And then 5 weeks, weekly pages. And yeah, there comes April. So ganun siya each month. And then there's May. May. Hanggang December. So, ayan. So, yan. Ganyan siya. December. Yeah, I think this is December. So, I'm super excited to use this.